guys, welcome back to DK Custom Trucks. Today's video is about this truck here. So this truck, if you hear, it sounds really good from the back, but as you get up here, it doesn't sound nearly as good. Well, the case being, that hood is heavy right now, that right here, it has a manifold leak. And so last night I decided that I wanted to be able to get a video out to you guys fairly recent following the one I just posted, which thank you all for the support on that. That was awesome. Tons of views. Hopefully we gained some subscribers, but I'm not really sure yet. So yeah, thank you. Also, if you guys want to comment and tell me what you guys are working on, that'd be really cool. You know, let me know if it's an old truck, a new truck, an old Camaro, Mustang, I don't care. I would like to know about it. But yeah, we're gonna get started on this. I'm gonna let that get warmed up nice and hot so that way I burn the hell out of my hand. And then, yeah, we're gonna get into it. Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you guys. Right now it ain't gonna happen. We got things to do, and there's one bolt that is really hard to get into, and it's that one back in there where the two pipes together go down. You can't get a socket on it, and I don't know where my wrenches are, so I'm gonna have to just kind of put a hold on this one for now. Unfortunately, I didn't want to. I wanted to hear this thing run. Without it, I don't know when I'm gonna be able to get back onto it. We have a Christmas party to go to tomorrow, so I'll bring you back when I can. All right, guys. So you can tell it's a couple days later from whenever I first initially started this video. God, it's always so dark. Sorry my face is dirty. Just got done with work here not too long ago. And I wanted to just work on this while I'm still dirty. We did get some progress done already behind or off camera because, well, I only have about 8 minutes on my phone camera before I can't record anymore. So I'm trying to do a little bit of stuff off camera. Like whenever I'm getting ready to do this again, I'm just gonna put you guys down. And then we'll do the startup and everything. I wish I had an actual camera or a bigger SD card so that way I could actually film for you guys. Unfortunately, that's not the case, so just bear with me. We're gonna work with what we got, but I'll show you what we have under the hood here. So it's really hard for an exhaust to work when it's in pieces. So this is kind of sort of what it used to look like. And, well, this is it now. This is kind of one of those feel old yet moments. So, yeah, this is what we were working with. Not going to work to gasket exhausts, if that's the word you want to use, or muffle exhaust, or stop exhaust gas from escaping where it's not supposed to. That's what we were working with. In terms of an update on the wiring harness, may have located one, hopefully to be getting it soon. We will have a video on that as well. If the door was unlocked, I would show you the wiring harness that was on it. Like I already showed you before, the connectors that were on it. If you didn't see, ooh, come on now. These are what was on the wiring harness. They were spread out all through it, so that's what we had. I have no idea what this little thing is. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, I got that put in. There's only bolts. This is what the bolts look like. They actually look like they're in pretty good shape. Man, I really wish this would work for me. Maybe this way. There we go. That's what the bolts look like. So they're not in too bad a shape. So these weren't done too long ago. Maybe the person just over tightened, or I'm not sure what the case is. The important thing of that is that it's gonna sound good now, hopefully. So yeah, I'm gonna put you guys back down for a minute. I'm gonna get this tightened up, and I'll bring you back whenever we go to start the thing if the battery's charged. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, I got it put together now. So I'm gonna set you guys right where you are, and I'm gonna try to fire this thing up and see if it sounds better. You motherfucker. Stand by, guys. Guys, I can't explain it. You guys heard it crank and click, 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 click. Well, sounds like the other side leaks now. The other side is definitely leaking, but it wasn't as bad as this side. So I do have the other gasket. Though we are not going to do it today, we will be doing it. I just love this thing. You know, just because we gotta. Really just couldn't help myself. I like how it sounds. Anyways, so it did help a little bit. It does sound better. It still does have a little bit of a leak, which, I mean, it's kind of whatever, but you can hear it does sound much, much better. Sounds much better than it did, but still has a little bit of a leak. No big deal, we'll get it fixed. Did I lock this? Yeah, I did. I was gonna show you that wiring harness because Mercedes had come down and brought me something to eat, so I was gonna show you the wiring harness, but I guess I locked it. Yeah, there you go. It's fixed-ish. If you guys like this video, please leave me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I'm all over the place. Subscribe if you have not. Join the family, join the garage, join the shop crew, whatever you guys want to call it. And we'll see you in the next one, hopefully soon. Peace.